of late day clearing going on right now in the Holland area. Looking out underneath the cloud deck, there is a little bit of clearing there. Icon showing sunny, but obviously there are the clouds there. 46 degrees right now. Wind from the west at 12 miles an hour makes it feel like 41, and we're all kind of in that same boat. Temperatures are in the middle to upper 40s. We have a little bit of a westerly wind, making it feel like the low 40s, but we've definitely had worse, and it's overall a pretty quiet evening for us. Temperatures maxing out at 50 right now for Battle Creek and Coldwater. The rest of us are in the 40s with clouds hanging around, and overall, looking at the next week ahead, it does appear to be cooler in general. We'll be at or slightly below average, and in some cases like Monday and Tuesday, it's going to be pretty chilly, but also very quiet in terms of precipitation. A few scattered showers late tomorrow into Saturday. Rain totals there probably less than 1/4 of an inch, and then the chance for some slushy snow on Monday. Light accumulation possible, especially north, but still kind of too far away to determine exactly what's going on there. The 6 to 10 day outlook favors warmer than average temperatures across the western half of the country. The eastern half of the country, including us here in West Michigan, cooler than average conditions expected. There's medium confidence for that, but it does look like our 7-day forecast is primarily on the cool side. Cloud cover with us here is about to get pushed out by this high pressure, clearing skies and less winds characterized with that high pressure, but it's also a cool high, so that's what's going to help bring in some cooler air temporarily. This frontal boundary down to the south is actually the same one from yesterday. It really hasn't moved a whole lot in this part of the country, bringing in heavy rain and the potential for flooding along with more severe weather in these areas. For us, we will be clear of any severe weather, but as this front kind of nudges to the north, it'll pull some of this rain a bit farther to the north as well, and that's where we get our rain chances for tomorrow. Lows tonight ending up in the upper 20s for places like Big Rapids. Most of us, though, right near freezing. Some along the lakeshore, maybe upper 30s. And as we go into tomorrow, we're going to top out right around 55. This is slightly above average and will end up being a pretty nice day overall, especially considering we don't have a ton of wind, but the clouds will be on the increase into the afternoon with those showers possible in the later part of the day. High pressure will move overhead into early tomorrow, starting our day off on a sunny note, just a chilly one, so layers will be your friend tomorrow. Going through the day through 4 p.m., solidly cloudy. We have the Whitecaps home opener tomorrow, not looking likely to have a whole lot of rain, maybe a sprinkle or two. Most of this rain, though, will wait until after 9 or 10 p.m. We'll continue through the overnight hours on Saturday morning and then kind of move out as we head into Saturday afternoon. More of that rain continuing to stay on the east side of the state and really not impacting us much as we head through Saturday afternoon. Rain totals also look to be pretty slim, maybe 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, so nothing like what we had yesterday with those record-breaking rain numbers. Cool though, especially for Monday and Tuesday, highs in the 30s.